antiderivative. And this one, as we're going here, they're getting a little bit more complicated. Not very. We're still just getting our feet wet through this entire chapter. But this one, I would say it would really help to change these square roots to powers of 1/2, and definitely write this x to the power of 1/2 in the denominator, write it as a negative exponent in the numerator. So we're going to rewrite this before we do it. Oh, and I'm still in green. Is that really that bad that it's not in black? I don't know. I like colors, so I'm gonna leave it as green. Sorry if it offends anyone. So so we have 1/2 times x, the definite integral of 1/2 times x to the 1/2 plus 2 times x to the negative 1/2. And now we can just use these properties over here. So we're going to say 1/2. I guess you get good doing fractions doing this. So you have x up by a power of 1. 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2, like 1/2 plus 2 over 2. So we have over 3/2. I guess I'll put a little dot there for times. Plus 2. Negative 1/2 plus 1 is positive 1/2 over 1/2. And then don't forget that all-important plus c. And then if we pull this fraction, the denominator, out, multiplied by the reciprocal, we'll get 2/3 times 1/2. So we'll just have 1/3, because the 2's will cancel, times x to the 3/2. Here we'll have, pull this fraction in the denominator out, multiply the reciprocal, we'll have 2 times 2, which is 4, x to the 1/2 plus c. I don't really see any reason to write that back in root notation since you have this x to the 3/2 here. So let's just check and take the derivative with respect to x of x to the 3/2 over 3 plus 4 x to the 1/2, oops, plus that arbitrary constant c. And when we do that, we bring that power down in front, reduce the power by 1. 3/2 minus 1 is 1/2, and that was still over 3, so those are gone. And then plus 4, and then reduce that 1/2 by 1, so we get negative 1/2. I'm sorry, bring that power down in front first. We get negative 1/2, and then the derivative of c is 0, so we get a little cancellation there. And here we get 1/2 times x to the 1/2 plus 2x to the negative 1/2 plus 0. But anyway, and that's exactly what we had in the beginning. We had square root of x, which is x to the 1/2 over 2, plus 2 over the square root of x, which is x to the negative 1/2. So did it right.